This is our consonant blend SW. In a consonant blend, each letter says its own sound, but we blend them together in words. S says S. Say it with me. S. W says W. Say it with me. W. Good. And if we tap and stretch, S. W. Tap and stretch. Sw. Yeah. Let's see what we can come up with. Ready? Let's make a word. Okay, tap and stretch the word with me. Swam. Tap and stretch again. Swam. Say it fast. Swam. Say it fast. Swam. Yeah, he swam across the ocean. Good. What if we just changed our vowel? What new word do we have? Let's sound it out. Ready? Swim. Tap and stretch. Swim. Say it fast. Swim. Say it fast. Swim. Do you know how to swim? That was good reading. Let's do one more. Ready? Tap and stretch. Swag. Tap and stretch. Swag. Say it fast. Swag. Say it fast. Swag. That's what we'd say if somebody had some style, a little swag. And those are words with consonant blend SW. Good reading.